My name's Richard. I'm from Microsoft Research in Cambridge and I co-manage the Socio-Digital Systems Group. We're interested in exploring new experiences with digital content, and currently here we're exploring how you can explore digital content in new playful ways, as well as ways that let you go into the past. So here, this is an application which allows you to play with photos in new ways. And these buttons or icons are called SPIBs, and you can search for pictures because they're green, or because they're red, or because they're both. Or you might search for them because of their face-like. If you want to create a new button, you can drag an object out and make that the select criteria. We have a device called Wave, which is about messaging from the kitchen between families, getting kids involved, and is a bit more playful than normal messaging. It allows you to send scolding notes where you can say okay and be more evocative and emotional. You can send that. It also allows you to take photographs. And one of the things we found when we trialled this and did some research was that kids and parents really like to be able to use photographs and do this. They make annotations and say things like this on the message, and that message is actually what's sent and received. It can be sent as an email. Can't do it here because we're inside the building, and that's what will arrive as an HTML object. So it's very playful and emotional. Here's an example of the kinds of things that kids do with it, and they really enjoy using this more evocative, emotional way. One of the problems we've also been addressing is how to get people involved in the digital world who don't really want to get involved, like grandparents. So we devised this thing called CellFrame, which is basically a kind of mobile phone, a sort of smartphone device, which allows members of a family, like my family, to post content to my grandmother. And we do that by having our own home book, as we're calling it at home, which is like your own family web book. And when you post content to it, if you wish, you can select content and you can drag it to this icon, and it's sent automatically to the grandmother. And this might sit on her mantelpiece. If she wants to comment back, she can touch this and create a responding message, or she can scroll through the messages. And that's the last of the demos we wanted to show here in this suite at TechFest, a representative of some of the work we're doing in the Socio-Digital Systems Group.